Hello everyone, so today we are looking at this soundbar by Mpow company. I already unboxed it. It comes with all the cables required. Comes optical cable, RCA, HDMI and the audio connector cable. And this is the soundbar, I already plugged it in. It has the manual control and connections are on the back side. I'm using the optical cable, but you can play music through USB or via phone connection through Bluetooth. Let's see the sound quality of it. I'll play some music on YouTube. So I muted it using this button. This is the remote control. You can use Bluetooth, HDMI, aux, USB or optical cable. You can adjust the volume, change track to next while playing through Bluetooth. Different sound modes for movies, music, on just news or normal TV watching experience. Really nice handy remote. Sound quality is pretty nice. It's a 29-inch. It has 4 speakers in it, powerful. It does not support the Dolby sound output, so if you don't get sound from the soundbar, make sure you change the TV output sound settings to not to be Dolby. And let's go back to the sound once again. You can wall mount it as well. There on the back side, this is the place you can use it for wall mount. So nice product. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video.